Greetings to all. Welcome back again to our channel. Today, we're delving into the incredible world of Apple stock and examining its remarkable performance throughout the past year. So, sit tight and let's get started right now. Apple has experienced quite an impressive period as far as their stock is concerned recently. In May 2022, the company managed to reach an all-time high of an astounding $182.86. However, that was a bit shaky for investors when the company's market cap began to make strides toward the $2 trillion mark. Interestingly enough, during that very same month, the US market saw a sell-off event that put Apple's stock price right at $152 by the end of August. Nevertheless, it reassured because in the early part of October, Apple experienced an astounding recovery in their stock performance, announcing exceptional sales of 73.2 million devices during their fiscal Q4 earnings announcement. The talk of a tremendous comeback, this phenomenal result met, in fact, even the loftiest expectations, which subsequently contributed to the stock price rising to near $169 by November 4th. To sum up the story, Apple's stock has not only seen a whirlwind of ups and downs, but it also appears to be raring to go again. Thank you all so much for joining us today in this comprehensive analysis. If you find this video insightful and enjoy other content like this one, kindly don't make a mistake by pressing the likes button and subscribing to our channel for more like this.